unboxing my brand new shoe patcher Chinese leather sewing machine. And I thought I'd show you what I got here. It shipped out of California. And let's just see what kind of conditions it came in. Alright. So, well, it did come off a stand that I understand is completely worthless. And the instruction book that I also understand is completely worthless. Let's make sure everything is in here. It comes with a spool of thread and some sewing needles. These are 130 7/0H 15-1 or size 110 18, made in China. All right, now to the main thing here. I guess the weight of this just killed the thing there. Here's the latch that needs to, or the turning crank. All right. This would be the spool holder that goes here, which will probably be replaced. There's not too much cosmoline on it. I thought it'd be a lot worse from everything I've heard. Mostly there's a lot of it gunk right here and there. I guess they try to show how to do the sewing. You get the thread through here. There you go. It goes through this hole right there. Goes through this loop here, around, comes out, goes to the loop there. Oh, looks like this one didn't leave that one in there, so we'll have to get that done. And then up and down to the center there. All right, well, that's just the beginning of it. I'm gonna degrease it and then re-grease it again. It shows, here's a piece of leather that was in there that they had sewn to show that this thing is working. Oh, and there's the needle sticking out right at the bottom there. All right. So as I clean this up, I will post a few more videos on it, plus the modifications that a lot of people have suggested for using this. I need to make a nice base for it, because these don't work, I'm told. So, although surprisingly enough, you see some of the Chinese shoe patchers in China on some of the YouTube videos, somehow they do make it work. Go figure. All right, that's all I got today. Thanks much, and we'll see you later.